Okay, here folks, we have three types of chocolate. We have the white chocolate, dark chocolate, and milk chocolate. I don't know if you cannot see it. I have some fresh strawberries. And this is a tool that I picked up at Walmart, I believe, from Wilter. And it's basically to have your stick sit in so the chocolate can dry. You'll see it in the video. Here we go. Start with the milk. Just let it sit right here. There we go. Show you another one. Make sure you wash your hands. Do the dark this time. Didn't go right. You want to make sure you hit the center and go straight, otherwise it's going to be crooked, just like this. Okay, let's do the white. Here we go. Okay, see here I've made a cone out of a parchment paper, and that's basically what I'm going to use to decorate my strawberry. You could leave it as it is. If you don't want to decorate them, that's fine. It's up to you. But I like to put a little touch to mine. So basically that's what I drizzle some chocolate. These ones are drizzled dark chocolate on the white ones. And you can get creative. It's up to you.